I'm Dr. S.K. Dubey from Professor IMS Ghaziabad. I've attended this important skill development program of the NCUI. It's doing a human service. It's doing something great that is the need of the hour. And considering the Government of India's latest initiative, NCUI has got a lot of role to play in coming years ahead. And especially when the issues like disruptive technologies and many more things are coming up, which are posing more and more challenges. So considering new developments happening and the whole mantra of going for the $5 trillion economy, NSUI and its agencies have to take initiative so that the country can progress. I still believe that cooperatives, the success of cooperatives in India in the past as well as in the present is remarkable. Amul and many others are example of it, and why not to emulate the same in different areas, and that's why such initiatives are very important for the welfare of the human being and for the country also. With these words, I extend my great wishes to the success of the NSUI and its member and its authorities and its agencies for the future success. Thank you.